Imagine pulling a device out of your jacket pocket, unfolding four ultra-lightweight carbon composite arms, tossing it into the evening air, and instantly capturing Hollywood-grade 6K video with full 360-degree LiDAR precision, all without registering a single piece of paper with the FAA. For years, the drone industry believed that staying under the regulatory 249-gram threshold meant accepting compromises in dynamic range, low light handling, and obstacle safety. But confidential engineering documents, international regulatory filings, and supply chain leaks coming directly out of Asia are signaling a massive seismic shift in aerial photography. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro isn't just another incremental annual polish. It is being engineered as a miniature titan designed to render medium-tier prosumer drones obsolete. To truly understand why the tech world is buzzing over the DJI Mini 6 Pro, you have to look at the massive engineering gamble DJI is taking right now. Every single generation of the Mini lineup has lived and died by a single, uncompromising number, 249 grams. Under Federal Aviation Administration guidelines in the United States and aviation rules across Europe, drones weighing less than 249 grams sit in a protected regulatory sweet spot that frees recreational pilots from cumbersome registration and restrictive airspace permits. However, crammed inside that ultralight footprint, previous iterations faced rigid thermal and physical limits. Leaked hardware schematics reveal that for the DJI Mini 6 Pro, engineers have completely redesigned the chassis using carbon nanotube reinforced polymers and ultralight magnesium alloys, shaving off vital grams from the physical frame just to dedicate every single remaining milligram of weight budget to raw processing hardware, optics, and power density. The cornerstone of these groundbreaking leaks focuses on the optical stack sitting at the nose of the DJI Mini 6 Pro. Rumors from industry insiders suggest DJI is experimenting with a revolutionary stacked CMOS sensor, potentially pushing image fidelity into a realm previously reserved for multi-thousand-dollar cinema gear. While earlier models relied on standard 1/1.3-inch image sensors, supply chain reports suggest the DJI Mini 6 Pro could introduce a custom-tuned 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor equipped with dual native ISO fusion technology. What this means for real-world content creation is breathtaking. Cinematic dynamic range capable of capturing blazing golden hour sunsets and deep shadowy foregrounds simultaneously, completely eliminating blown-out highlights or noisy, muddy shadows. In addition to sensor size upgrades, leaked test reports point toward the inclusion of a mechanical variable aperture ranging from f/1.7 all the way to f/11. For creators flying in bright, direct sunlight, variable aperture is a complete game-changer because it eliminates the tedious requirement of constantly landing the drone to swap out physical ND filters whenever light conditions shift. Pilots can dial in their shutter speed to maintain the natural, cinematic motion blur that audiences expect, while allowing the DJI Mini 6 Pro hardware to dynamically adjust its aperture blades in real time. This mechanical iris, combined with a re-engineered 3-axis micro gimbal, provides rock-solid stabilization even during high-velocity maneuvers or intense headwind gusts. Resolution leaps are another major talking point surrounding the DJI Mini 6 Pro leaks. Test flight logs indicate that the processing engine on board can handle continuous 6K video recording at up to 30 frames per second, alongside buttery-smooth 4K slow motion at 120 frames per second in full 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG color profiles. Creators who love producing content for platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok will be thrilled to hear that DJI is doubling down on native vertical shooting. The gimbal assembly on the DJI Mini 6 Pro reportedly features a full 90-degree physical rotation mechanism, allowing the camera to flip into portrait orientation without sacrificing any sensor resolution, delivering crisp, uncropped 6K vertical video ready for immediate social media deployment. However, packing 6K recording capabilities and a massive sensor into an ultralight drone creates an immense thermal challenge. High-resolution video processing generates extreme heat, which can quickly lead to thermal throttling or sudden flight cutoffs if not properly managed. To conquer this, leaked schematics reveal an ingenious passive-active hybrid cooling system inside the DJI Mini 6 Pro. The drone utilizes its own prop wash during flight, forcing high-velocity airflow through micro-channeled aluminum heat sinks routed directly over the central processing chip and camera sensor housing. This thermal design ensures that even during extended flights under the blazing summer sun, the drone maintains peak performance without thermal throttling or frame drops. Safety and obstacle sensing have also received a massive overhaul in the DJI Mini 6 Pro leaks. While previous generations featured omnidirectional vision sensors, flying in low-light environments like twilight or dense forest canopies often blinded those camera-based safety systems. Confidential testing documentation shows that DJI is incorporating micro-LiDAR sensors into the front and top housing of the DJI Mini 6 Pro. By firing invisible laser pulses thousands of times per second, the LiDAR system creates a real-time, high-precision 3D point cloud of the drone surroundings. This grants the DJI Mini 6 Pro full 360-degree obstacle detection that works seamlessly in absolute darkness, allowing pilots to execute complex nightscape shots around buildings, trees, and power lines with complete peace of mind. Flight intelligence is being pushed even further thanks to the integration of predictive AI tracking algorithms in the DJI Mini 6 Pro. Dubbed ActiveTrack 6.0, this advanced subject recognition engine doesn't just follow a subject. It predicts motion paths based on velocity, vector trajectories, and terrain geometry. If you're filming a mountain biker weaving through a dense forest canopy and the subject briefly vanishes behind thick foliage, the DJI Mini 6 Pro won't lose focus or freeze in place. Instead, its neural processing unit maintains a continuous predictive trajectory, smoothly reacquiring the subject the split second they re-emerge into clear view. To power these power-hungry sensors and processing chips without blowing past the 249-gram weight limit, battery chemistry needed a revolution. Leaked battery manifests suggest that DJI is transitioning away from standard lithium-ion formulations toward next-generation silicon anode battery technology for the DJI Mini 6 Pro. Silicon anode cells offer significantly higher energy density per gram compared to traditional batteries. Early benchmark tests show that the standard lightweight battery pack for the DJI Mini 6 Pro could achieve realistic flight times of up to 38 to 42 minutes under normal conditions, while an optional Intelligent Flight Battery Plus could stretch flight times toward an astonishing 50 minutes for users where sub-249G registration restrictions do not apply. Long-range wireless transmission is another critical area where the DJI Mini 6 Pro is set to dominate. Industry analysts point to the deployment of the next-generation DJI O5 transmission system, operating across automatic multi-frequency bands, including 2.4 GHz, 5.8 GHz, and potential new ultra-wide spectrum allocations. The DJI Mini 6 Pro promises crystal-clear 1080p live video feeds at 60 frames per second straight to the remote controller display across distances of up to 20 kilometers. More importantly for pilots operating in signal-congested urban areas filled with Wi-Fi interference and tall steel structures, the O5 protocol drastically improves anti-interference capabilities, maintaining a rock-solid link with near-zero latency even when flying behind dense obstacles. There are also strong rumors surrounding an optional 5G cellular dongle integration for the DJI Mini 6 Pro. In regions where cellular data transmission for unmanned aerial vehicles is legally permitted, this feature would allow the drone to maintain a continuous data stream back to the pilot's remote controller via high-speed 5G networks. If line-of-sight signal is temporarily obscured by massive mountain ridges or heavy concrete architecture, the 5G connection seamlessly takes over as a fail-safe backup stream, preventing video blackouts and ensuring that emergency return-to-home commands are transmitted instantly without delay. The remote controller ecosystem accompanying the DJI Mini 6 Pro is getting its own set of major refinements. Expected to launch alongside a new DJI RC3 smart controller. This refreshed remote features an ultra-bright 1,500 nit touchscreen display that remains completely crisp and visible even under direct sunlight without requiring a sunshade. The controller is rumored to run on an optimized Android platform equipped with enhanced processing memory, allowing pilots to edit, color grade, and upload 6K video footage directly from the field straight to YouTube and social platforms without ever needing to transfer files to a computer first. From a usability perspective, beginner pilots and seasoned professionals alike will appreciate the rumored automatic path planning features inside the DJI Mini 6 Pro. Utilizing high-resolution topographical maps and real-time LiDAR telemetry, the drone can automatically generate cinematic flight paths with a single tap on the screen. Whether executing a complex spiral reveal around a tall lighthouse, a dramatic dolly zoom shot, or a sweeping high-altitude orbit over a mountain ridge, the DJI Mini 6 Pro manages speed, gimbal tilt, and focus tracking with robotic precision, enabling solo creators to produce shots that once required a full camera crew and heavy equipment. When comparing the leaked specifications of the DJI Mini 6 Pro to current flagship models like the Mini 4 Pro, Mini 5 Pro, or even the mid-range Air 3S, the strategic positioning becomes clear. DJI is attempting to blur the lines between lightweight consumer drones and heavy professional platforms. By offering cinema-grade stacked CMOS imaging, night vision LiDAR safety, and silicon anode battery life within an ultra-portable sub-249G frame, the DJI Mini 6 Pro could render larger, heavier drones unnecessary for the vast majority of commercial videographers, real estate marketers, and travel vloggers. For content creators located in the United States, timing and regulatory considerations are paramount. Industry observers point out that while engineering progress on the DJI Mini 6 Pro is moving rapidly, international supply chains and ongoing regulatory reviews mean a commercial release target toward late 2026 is the most realistic timeframe. As regulatory bodies refine rules around remote ID, direct broadcast protocols, and international electronics compliance, DJI is ensuring that every unit of the DJI Mini 6 Pro coming off the assembly line meets strict regional aviation standards out of the box, allowing U.S. pilots to take to the skies smoothly and legally. Expected pricing structures for the DJI Mini 6 Pro suggest that DJI will maintain its tiered release strategy. The standalone drone package with standard controller is anticipated to start around $799. While the Fly More combo featuring the high-brightness DJI RC3 smart controller, multiple batteries, charging hub, and carrying case is projected to sit around $1,099. Given the sheer amount of cutting-edge technology packed into this sub-249G package, this price point positions the DJI Mini 6 Pro as one of the most value-packed investments in modern tech history.